Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Zorba presents a wonderful platform where while playing games, you can earn cryptocurrency. Zorba's aim is to create best product and services for our global customers with best satisfaction. Zorba provides transparent accounting to users through accurate accounting records. Zorba's aim is to launch latest gaming technology platform. We work decentralized with peer-to-peer with each other. BitTorrent is a token that was launched on the Tron blockchain in early 2019 by the BitTorrent Foundation. Zorba platform is totally based on BitTorrent where you can play games in BTT and earn. Let's talk in detail about the different income plans offered by Zorba. Zorba provides total 6 types of income plans. Number 1 is application promotion income. Number 2 is stake income. Number 3 is fast track bonus income. Number 4 is stake level percentage income. Number 5 is booster income. Number 6 is VIP reward club. Let's talk about its first income, application promotion income. In this plan, you will get income through the game winning amount of your referred member. At first level, you will get 2%. At second level, you will get 1%. From third to 15th level, you will get 0.25% of income. Suppose if you refer 3 members and the game winning amount per person is 500 BTT, according to 2% of 1500, you will get 30 BTT. Let's talk about its next income, stake income. In stake income, if you invest 5000 BTT to 1 lakh BTT, you will get 0.3% income for 700 days. Similarly, if you invest 1,05,000 BTT to 5 lakh BTT, you will get 0.35% of income for 600 days. Similarly, if you invest 10 lakh BTT, you will get 0.4% of income for 500 days. Next income is fast track bonus income. In fast track bonus income, if your referred member's investment is 10 lakh BTT, then you will get 0.1% of income for 100 days. Let's talk about its next income, stake level percentage income. In stake level percentage, you will get income through the stake amount of your sponsored member. This plan has total 60 levels. To activate your 60th level, it's compulsory to refer 5 direct. If you are unable to do so, then you are only be able to access 30 levels of this plan. Let's talk about its next income, booster income. In booster income, you will get 0.1% of income for 50 days of your direct business done in 7 days from date of joining. Next is VIP Reward Club. It has total 7 ranks. Number 1 is Spinal, number 2 is Red Diamond, number 3 is Sphere, number 4 is Sunrise Ruby, number 5 Blue Moon Diamond, number 6 Red Burial, number 7 Crown. In Spinal rank, suppose if you refer 3 members and they provide business of 3 lakh BTT, you will get 20,000 BTT as reward, but here is a condition that you have to provide 45% of business from first 2 legs and 10% from other. In Red Diamond rank, if your sponsored member provide business of 7 lakh BTT, you will get 50,000 BTT as reward, but here is a condition that you have to provide 30% of business from each 3 leg and 10% from other. Other reward clubs are also based on percentage condition. You can check their details on screen. This plan has total 3 types of wallet. Number 1 is playing wallet, number 2 is winning wallet, number 3 is stake wallet. Playing wallet is used for playing games only. Winning wallet is used for payout and withdrawal. Stake wallet is used to represent the details of your investment. Let's talk about the different games offered by Zorba. First is Ludo game. Second is 8-ball game. Let's talk about the upcoming games of Zorba. First is Pinwin game. Second is Teen Patti game. You can join us now totally free. You can find us at zorba.live.